Kwa weg mago mag siasa wang'iye chal mar wechego mag oula mosekel gi koth mapek e pacho ka. Kwan kuonde ma jogo moringo wuok e mieregi kendo jotie e kaunti ma Mandera koro nitiere kod medruok kaluwore gi midhiero mar oula mapek mikelo gi koth ma sani medo chwe thoth gwenge ma thurka ka kuonde jot maromo 10 sani osemedore e kaunti ma Mandera e nyate gwenge ma Ilwak, Mandera South kama oganda maromo 34,000 odong' maonge gi kuonde jot. Kuonde jot go oriwo koda ka skunde, kuonde mogere hembe ka jomoko to koro jot mane batha peyni mantiere gwengego. Oula mapek osekelo midhiere locations mohewo 25 e wards 11 mantiere sub-county ma Mandera East, Mandera West, Mandera North, Mandera South, Kiliwaheri, Arabia kod sub-county Malefi. Jogo modaro wuok e miechgi medo dhi mbele gi yudo kony koya kuom riwruoge machiwo kony katiyo kanyakla gi riwruok mar Kenya Red Cross. Jalup gavana ma kaunti ya Mandera Ali Malim kwayo jogo madiher chwalo kony mondo omi omed timo kamano.
% of this town is submerged. 100% of the population of this town are out of their residential homes. And that is also to say that quite large areas within the entire county are also submerged, including Lafay sub-county, in a town called Damasa, in Mandera North, in Mandera East, which is the second most impacted sub-county, especially around the area of Khalaliya Udariga area. As far as we are concerned, we are trying our best as a county government to respond to this disaster.
And as Kenya Red Cross, we have been doing a number of interventions that was geared to a displaced population, specifically the population that were displaced around 34,000 within the entire Mandera County. As we are speaking as Kenya Red Cross, in partnership with County Government of Mandera, so far we have gone ahead and supported families that were displaced in Mandera South specifically. Now we have around 10 camps, totaling to 7,000 displaced population.
It is good to report right now that we do have a good response with regards to provision of medicine, shelter items that has been availed by Red Cross and the county government of Mandera. And we would want that one upscaled because so far it has only affected only Ilwak town. We still have other many areas in the sub-county, Wargadud, Shimri Fatuma, Fincharo, Burmayo, that we also have been affected, and a lot needs to be done to reach them. And we expect that going forward in the next coming days, help is going to